What's going on YouTube? Not your average hybrid, back with another vid. Nice little day out in the day. You know, I decided to put a few mods on. Can you guys guess what it could be? I give you a nice overlook of the car. What you guys think? Uh-oh, you hot? Yes sir. What you guys think? Carbon fiber rear bumper canards. What you guys think? I had to do some serious rigging to get these bad boys to fit, but what you guys think? Gives it a more aggressive look. Or should I just take them off? What you think? Okay, time for the second mod. Oh, but first, if you haven't liked the video already, commented what you like about those, or should I remove them? And especially if you ain't subscribed already. You know it's warm out, you know the video is about to be consistent and popping. But on to the second mod. Let's start them up for y'all. Nice little quiet home, you know. But let's see. They on. Let's see, guys. Woo, as you can see, you got some fog lights. They blue, right? Well, you were wrong. Guys, I can change them any color, both of them blue, I turn both of them red, green, even make a flash for y'all. Tough. Flash to all the colors. Also make it flash any color. Red, green, blue, purple, anything. But yeah, this is the remote that controls it all. Cool thing is you can point it at each one for different effects. So I want that one red, I want this one purple, I can do that. I want this one to strobe, I can do that, leave that one red, or I can turn that one blue. It's pretty cool, guys. Or I can turn them white. White looks pretty good too. Oh, I could even just turn them off. Turn one off and turn the other one off. What you guys think? If you guys want me to let you know the exact details on them, let me know down in the comments. But if you wonder where I got all the stuff from, just let you know. It is on eBay. Look good, don't it? You wouldn't expect it was from eBay, huh? But yeah, that's the only thing about eBay. You gotta know exactly what you're doing. Or yeah, you will get garbage. Or you gotta know what you're doing if you do get garbage and you can finesse it. But yeah, guys, for both of these, I didn't pay, I would say I didn't pay no more than 100. So, turn it back on for you guys, since I know y'all love them. Ooh-wee. So it's no point in, buying just one particular bulb. Why would you do that? When you can get red, blue, purple, or you can even make a flash. Don't even matter. But yeah, these go right in the fog lights. These are the H8 fog lights. They plug right in. Real simple. Took me less than 5 minutes to install. Turn these back to blue. Yes, sir. And coming back to these things. Like I said, I had to do some real finessing to get these on there. But yeah, actually these are from eBay as well. I said do a lot of finessing and Yeah, they're on there. Carbon fiber. Like I said, big burr, you know. But yeah, what you guys think? Does this look good, or what was I thinking? Take this trash off, or do it make you one? Goes on all Infinitis. That's why I got it. It's pretty universal. Even though I got it, you know, specific for my vehicle, but I seen other videos on it, and it is pretty universal. So, but yeah, those are my brand new mods for the car. Stay tuned for more videos, guys. Back to the front. Make me look like an opera for you guys. Red and blue. Woo woo. Pull over, shorty. Yeah, you know, guys. Till next time. Gone.